Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. Let's get started. First, launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Enter your passcode or use your fingerprint to log in. Once logged in, tap on the Crypto tab. Look for BNB in the list. If you can't find it, don't worry. Simply tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Use the search bar to type BNB and you'll see the BNB Smart Chain option. Turn it on by tapping the toggle button. Now, after that, BNB will appear on your homepage. Now, go to the homepage and tap on BNB, and you'll see 4 options: send, receive, buy, and swap. To find your BNB BEP20 address, tap on receive. Here, you'll find your BNB BEP20 address. You can copy it by tapping copy or share it directly by selecting the share option. Choose any social media app to send the address to your friends or family. And that's how you find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.